everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make slim your body on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click a new project. Add your video that you want to slim. This one, click add at the bottom. This is the original body like this, but in here I wanna make this body to slim, so just click on the video and at the menu you can swipe until you can see and change. This one, click and change, and then in here you can click on a body and click slim, this one, and then in here you can swipe this a button to left or right like this. And after this, you can click on check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that's how to make your body to slim on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.